Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler 2019 350 Realm. Fairly new model for us. It's fantastic. Let's look at the profile of the boat. As you can see, it's a beautiful profile going down. Very large flared bow. It'll take the deep water, no problem at all. And as you come back up, you can see the hard top from down here. It covers the boat extremely well from one side of the boat to the other. It's got the larger trim tabs with the active trim, diving ladder, underwater lights, and it's powered by the Mercury Verado triple 350s. Plenty of horsepower. This boat is fast. The engines are quiet, very little vibration. Absolutely a perfect motor for this boat to get it up on plane quick and get your top end. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on board the 350 Realm. Start at the back of the boat. Very comfortable seats. So if you're going out to the beach or out to dinner or lunch, maybe sunset, nice high back, very comfortable. If you're not going to use it, you want to fish, nice leaning post, ladder, live well here, dive door, great for boarding on a floating dock. It's a level on and off, very safe boarding, good for fishing, good for swimming. Huge refrigerator in here that we could put an incredible amount, access right here, and then the seat will double. So now I can flip it and it goes faces forward. So backwards when you're not going anywhere, forwards when you're going straight. Grill. And then this seat here will actually spin around and it will face these two, and you can have a table here so you can sit underneath the hardtop. It's actually an air-conditioned cockpit, so you can sit here if it was hot weather out, very comfortable, enjoying company with two other people. And then the helm area, we do not put the electronics on it, so you can pick whatever you want. You can pick your Marine electronics, the Garmin, Simrad, whatever it may be. The sound system on this thing is rocking. It's just one of the nicest sound systems I've ever heard. It does have the digital throttle and shift, and it does have the joystick, which gives you ease of docking. Your boat will go sideways. You get the sky hook, keeps you in place if you need to be, and it also has an autopilot. We call it auto heading. Very large cabin. You could actually sleep in here. It's air conditioned as well, so it's set up for sitting, but it will turn into a bed. So plenty of room. It's an enclosed head, which is very nice as well. As we move up to the bow, very large sun pads, the sitting area here. It's four adults can sit there pretty comfortable. And then the table has a switch. It will go up or down. It's a real nice teak table. So it really does. The boat has everything. It does everything very, very well. So if you would like to come and see it, make an appointment, you can give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.